Hello everyone, how's it going? Yeah, I got a little surprise from Santa Claus. My son got me a little something, and wait till you see what I got going on here. It's going to get interesting if I get to learn how to control it and not crash it first. But without further ado, check this out. Thank you. Hello YouTube family, what's going on? It's Jamie from down the road, and Santa was here. My son got me a little toy here. I got myself a drone. A good entry level one. When you get that going, hopefully some footage down the road. Gonna wait till it gets a little warmer here, maybe a little bit, not sure, but if the wind dies down. But she looked pretty good. Well, it's pretty neat. So we get that going. We'll get some videos on the road. Let's get a little tracking thing too. We'll follow you, maybe follow the van, follow me. Overlooking the lakes, eventually go over a lake with some. I think it goes up to 200 meters, 30 kilometers an hour, but I got to get used to it first. Got the little remote here. And your phone hooks on top of that. So, first time drone for me. Phone clicks into there. Up and down. Don't want to do in the house. Need some open area, but we'll get her going. I'll give some nice shots of that. Yeah, it's pretty small, compact. It's in the palm of the hands. Yeah, nice and lightweight. There's the camera there. You can go up and down with your remote. Get your pictures way underneath you or straight ahead of you on certain angles, but yeah, looking forward to that. So I'm going to practice that sometime this week. Camping trip coming up probably Saturday in the woods with my son, a couple friends. We'll just see how much snow's in the woods, but hopefully I can get this set up, get some little shots anyway, figure out how it works. I appreciate you for checking me out again, and I appreciate the support. Keep on coming, and I'll see y'all down the road. Love you all. Thank you. Appreciate you.